This video gives you a glimpse into the actual Agnihotra ritual conducted at the Shivalaya homestay by Shankara. Shankara and Vimla had given me a longer conversation in the earlier video in which they mentioned why Agnihotra was really important to them in order to increase the water content of their land, to improve the air quality, and they also found a lot of other internal benefits from doing this ritual.
Om Pradave Namaha. We go down to Mahaganapati. Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chadurbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vigno Bhashantaye Agajanana Patmargam Gajanana Maharnisham Anekadandam Bhaktanam Megadantam Upasmahe Vakradunda Mahakaya Surya. Go down to Arunachala. Om Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridayarvinde Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami Namah Shivaya Gurave Satchidanandamurte Nishprapanchaya Shantaya Niralambhaya Tejase Om Varunachaleshwaraya Namaha. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurum Milidam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Go down to the masters of this lineage. Tadhatham dharma guptaram dharmam manusharupinam purusham shashvatam vande yuga dharma vidhayinam om shivade tatata putro shankara namasya smithom om shadadharamiksamakshyamanam vipaschidam pidaram bhaktanam melim madandam putrurupasthetam dhodasi pivridam satyavajam. Om Shri Mahagurubhyo Namaha. Om Swasti Shivadi Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Om Pamparamatmane Namaha. Om Pamparam Jyodishe Namaha. Om Adara Shakti Kamalasanaaya Divya Maha Patmapithaya Namaha. Om Sahasrarahum Bhat. Om Bhurbhavasva Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo. Om Vangma Asyestu. Om Jnasurme Prano Astu. Om Akshanorme Chakshurastu. Om Karnayorme Shrodamastu. Om Bahorme Balamastu. Om Urvorma Ojo Astu. Om Arishtani Mengani Tanustvanname Sahasantu. Om Bhurbhavasva Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhum Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gam Ganapade Namaha. Om Samsaraswatye Swaha. Om Bhurbhavasvarom. Take a deep inhalation from the abdomen, offer that fire into this. Om Bhurbhuvasvardhvairiva bhumna prathivi bhavarimna tasyaste prathivi dhvavai jani prashte agnimannadamannathyayatate. Om Udbhudya Swagne Pradajagrihitvamishta Purde Samsrijedamaya cha asmin dadhaste adhyustarasmin vishve deva yajamanascha sitata. ॐ अयं दैत्मा आत्मा जातवेदस्तेनेद्यस्ववर्धस्वजेदवर्धयच्चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेनानाध्येन समेदय स्वाहा इदमग्ने जातवेदसे इदं न मम ॐ समिदाग्निं दुवस्यदा गृधैर्वोदेदातिथिम् अस्मिन् हव्याजुहोदन स्वाहा इदमग्ने इदं न मम ॐ तं त्वा समिद्भिरङ्गिरो घृतेन वर्धयामसि बृहच्चोच्चाय विष्ट्य स्वाहा इदमग्ने इदं न मम ॐ सुसमिद्धाय शोजिषे घृतं तीव्रं जुहोदन अग्ने जातवेदसे स्वाहा इदमग्ने जातवेदसे इदं न मम ॐ अयं दैत्मा आत्मा जातवेदस्तेनेद्यस्ववर्धस्वजेदवर्धयच्चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेनानाध्येन समेदय स्वाहा इदमग्ने जातवेदसे इदं न मम ॐ अयं दैत्मा आत्मा जातवेदस्तेनेद्यस्ववर्धस्वजेदवर्धयच्चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेनानाध्येन समेदय स्वाहा इदमग्ने जातवेदसे इदं न मम ॐ अयं दैत्मा आत्मा जातवेदस्तेनेद्यस्ववर्धस्वजेदवर्धयच्चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेनानाध्येन समेदय.
We have a Yagashala because initially when we got this land, it was dry land. There was no water here. So somebody suggested us to do little bit of Agnihotra, a small practice from the
So when we bought this land, there's not even one drop of water. No one would believe it. It's really so. And they sold this land just because they don't have water, which we were not aware of it. So we both started doing Agnihotra every day. Every day, and the miracle happened. Since then we are doing Agnihotra, we don't have any water problem.
What are you saying?
It is like that. It is pure. Whatever you see is after doing Agnihotra. Before it was a dry land.
It was hard for us to even grow plants.
Anything because it's very rocky.
So then what, does it rain or did the groundwater come in? How?
So
after doing Agnihotra, we had a lot of rains and it never stopped. All the seasons we had rains. Before Agnihotra,
from 2016 we had continuous rain. 2017 we had continuous rain, and 2015 there was a drought in Tiruvannamalai. It was very difficult. Also the Agnihotra, the thing that the teacher who taught us, he told us there is something called Vadavaran. On top of the layer of the earth, on top of the soil, there is a layer of Vayu, Vata, Avaran, which can actually enrich the soil beneath. So the soil was highly neglected and misused by the pesticides here. Even you will see it all around Tiruvannamalai. People are using.
And there's also another purpose doing Agnihotra. Because the fields around us, they were all using heavy pesticides. And when you open the window, it comes automatically. So we were telling we have to do something. We cannot change them. So what is the other alternate? What we can do? So we came up with Agnihotra. So the smoke of Agnihotra will neutralize the pesticide.
It enhances
the affect us. The immune power will be more.
Yes.
That's really amazing. So Agnihotra is basically a havan, I think.
It's a small havan. Agnihotra kind of bring the elements together back to its harmonious state. Also, this is what we thought. We thought it will be doing things outside, externally. But what it does eventually, after we do it for almost 2 years regular, we saw a great change in us. So it's not just the sadhana outside that we did, yoga, and then we started to look at sadhana in a much different way, because what this fire, the small fire puja could do, we thought all this kriya that we are doing, that is also, somewhere in our deep within, it's transforming us, then.
Bhurбhuvasvam tatsaviturvarenyam bhargo devasya dhimahi dhiyo yo nah prachodayat swaha. Om bhurбhuvasvam tatsaviturvarenyam bhargo devasya dhimahi धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् सर्वं वै पूर्णं स्वाहा ॐ ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महविः ब्रह्माग्नौ ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णम् उदश्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते Receive the blessings from the fire. ॐ माभूतिऋषिः नजर्चुकुरी छन्दः सोमो देवता ॐ तेजो असि तेजोमयिभिः ॐ वीर्यम् असि वीर्यं मयिभिः ॐ बलम् असि बलं मयिभिः ॐ भोजो स्योजो मयिभिः ॐ मन्युरसि मन्यं मयिभिः ॐ सहो असि सहो मयिभिः Full of gratitude, let us chant Gayatri Mantra 24 times together. Vishwamitra Rishihi Nijar Gayatri Chandah Savita Devata Om Bhur Bhuvasvam Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prajodayat ॐ भूर्भुवस्वं तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वं ॐ भूर्भुवस्वं तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वं तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वं. And the Mother Earth. We conclude this homa with the 3 Omkar. Take a deep inhalation into your abdomen. Inhale.